could use the touch command to make a new file. Touch followed by the name new file.txt. And how can I list out the contents to see that file? Just type ls and you will see new file.txt. Right? The touch, it's empty though, right? There's nothing in it. How can we open up this file? You would use the cat command. Cat new file.txt. You see nothing came back out of it. So we use the touch command to open up or to make a new file. You just use touch followed by the name of the file. We listed out the contents of the directory to see and verify that that file was created. And just to prove that there's nothing in it, it's just an empty file, we did cat. The cat command opens up files.